Essay on Republic Day. Number 1. Republic Day is a day of pride for all Indians. Number 2. We celebrate this day to honor the Constitution of India. Number 3. India celebrates Republic Day on January 26 every year. Number 4. On 26 January 1950, we became a sovereign, secular, socialist, and republic. Number 5. It marks the day when India became truly independent and embraced democracy. Number 6. On this day, the President of our country unfurls the national flag at Kartavya Path, New Delhi. Number 7. India celebrates 75th Republic Day this year. Number 8. The theme of this year's Republic Day is Mother of Democracy and Viksit Bharat. Number 9. Every year India celebrates Republic Day on 26 January to commemorate the adoption of Constitution. Number 10. The Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. Happy Republic Day.
ಇದೇ ತರಹದ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.